Hello, Frank Shines here. Today we're going to talk about 5S. The 5S represent an acronym called sort, set in order, shine or sweep, standardize, and finally sustain. Today we're going to focus on the first of those 5S's, sort. The basic idea behind sort, and the reason we start with sort, is once we can set the foundation of eliminating all unnecessary items from a workspace, that could be a facility, a warehouse, an office, a manufacturing production line, an assembly line. Once we remove unnecessary items, it frees us up to do a lot of other great things. So the goals are, it's going to reduce time spent looking for items that aren't necessarily that you need versus sorting through those things that are in the way. Reduce distraction. It'll simplify your processes and inspection. It'll increase the amount of space that's available, which also reduces cost. And in turn, reduces the opportunity for mistakes, errors, and safety issues because of obstacles in the way. Now, we may not be able to remove all unnecessary items the first go round. And so we'll set aside what we call a red tag area. And all the items that aren't necessarily needed, we may red tag those items and then move them into this red tag area. So they may not be completely removed from the work center at the start, but the idea is to ultimately move them from the work center. But to begin with, remove the clutter by putting them into a red tag area. Okay, so we talked about the 5S's. We understand that the first of those 5S's is sort, so we start with sort. We'll talk about the other S's, but keep in mind that more recently, organizations have talked about not just 5S, but 6S. And the 6S just as simply adds the S of safety. So in addition to sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain, there's been safety added. Okay, this has been Frank Shines. There's a quick overview of the sort process in the 5S Lean methodology.